Um, you know, you know the one brutally she. I buy settee. She go buy settee and she go buy the bed. When she wrote like a put bed again and the room is small to clad. The room is small. The room is small. Don't know how me hear them say, me cheaper I save your money for buy a house. Why not take the money from me cheaper you have and buy the house? Take the money from me cheaper and go and buy the house. Take the money from me cheaper and go buy the house now and tell the people them say yes me buy my clad house off a TikTok. Yes. And mackerel no can more me a bum clad. Tell the people them that Rosealee today. Tell the people them that today Rosealee me want to hear. Tell the people them that say you go buy your blood at house and you want to go to Panama for your blood clot birthday and you want to go to England blood clot. Hear me I tell you and stop. Stop run down Nicki somehow money. Go look your own. You know go look on your own and tap. Live over people. At time Rosealee if you stop live over people. At time if you stop big Rosealee up and look a business for yourself Rosealee. Rosealee up and look a business for your class self Rosealee. Take time out Rosealee and go Ochi. Go run a beer. Go mobile go spend a look out two them and hotel and your boyfriend and your two little pick them. Every day just sit up on TikTok to blood to make money Rosealee. Rosealee how you gonna live? Rosealee I saw you want to live Rosealee. Cock up the cloth on the bed and then buckle a chair. If it's a taps and rose, if it's a gift, Rosealee, come off of the bed to blood Rosealee and take some blood clot and go up on the North Coast to live some bomb alive or some nice hotel done on the North Coast and spend some good bomb clot time. You did it. Taps and roses. Send a lion, send this stuff. Rosealee that now make no sense no blood Rosealee. Come out of the blood clot, save you and go up on the North Coast. Come out of the blood clot bed. Take up your buckler and send and hell with your bomb class, go on the North Coast like how me going away with my blood clot. Next week we gonna Portland. I want to explain what. Brother, me just all over the blood clot place. Rosealee, you think you one car up still on taps and roses up. Me not tap and roses. Me not pan up that you know. Come draw. Yes. I mean I come to nobody me bum. Me soon gone me heading to Portland no blood clot Rosealee. Nicki Summer, you need to take blame them. Stop cussing people on TikTok to get blood clot gift. Him need to stop cussing people on TikTok to get gift. Go cut suck your mother. Should not play it. I can't blood clot him take people. A girl that you know him a big black woman. Him a woman. No woman no cuss like no real man no cuss like him to get gift and follow on a blood clot. Move and go away. No bad no afraid that you blame them because you glam them or you want back like no and talk about Nicki. Go on. Move your blood up here. The band of friend that you have. Me one black, there man a friend for you. I want everybody to live and if you live. Because everyone will forget one day. Everyone will got blood, glambing. Everyone will got past like dead after this blood clot up here. You may tell you, no matter what we are run down. You are run down and they can somehow tap. Stop tell if you come on TikTok, if you come trace people, if you get gift and say you mix up one about your blood clot and bomber ass lad hap go where and style people Rosealee and nobody can style you. You want to style people and tell people what them nation. You can't tell about the nation a blood clot Rosealee TikTok and a shame. No go all you know walk on blood clot big like a musket and a blood clot and I talk about Nicki no you come on you talk about Nicki no where I that you no want the blood clot gift. We no move no blood. Jaden and Fabio do an pranking against the man coming upon them to rob them. Blood clot, they're wicked, you know. They're wicked in the blood clot, you know, forget money, you know. Fabi, why you and Jaden do them something for? You ain't young people. You two no young no blood clot, you know. Young green people like Uno are going to scam people. But man rob Uno. No too wicked, you know, man. No too blood clot wicked, you know, stop it, you know. No stop it, you know. But man rob you know, nobody rob you know, no stop it. Nobody rob you know. A long time I do them prank business, you know. And people are finding out, you know. People are finding out, you know. No stop it, you know. Stop it, you know. You go talk about you're pregnant and you're not pregnant nowhere. And pregnant test. And when Rosealee come out and Rosealee said, no go salary them all the blood clot girl that talk the girl not pregnant no it's bad. I prank no blood clot. No stop it. Stop it. The blood clot, do not stop it, man. So guys, me no man taxi I come from Upper New Kingston, right? So me see this girl in the taxi. The driver asked me say, it's a woman driver, she asked me say if Derrick we in town come off for me I say me I come off right at mother this. I come off right at mother. This when me I come off. I say me can show her the way for go to the bus park. She come from where in Nigeria. She don't know Jamaica. She don't know where she go. Remember, she don't know no way at Kingston. And you know what me do? Me have to end up and follow go around on West Street where the bus park there. You hear me I tell you? When a bus park, she don't know where she go. She don't know nowhere in a town. And me have to pick up myself and follow and go where around our west if you take the bus I go me a pain. And me say the girl that me even say thanks. When me say the girl that me even say thanks and me put her on the bus we go me a pain. She never said thanks Derrick. No sir. I saw people steer. Me never saw people steer. And she's a young girl. Me don't want the man in trouble and that's why me even follow her. She don't know her way out. And me I say why she never take a taxi and the taxi car way to the bus park. Way to the bus park if you take the bus. More you have a walk in town and you don't know where not Kingston. Downtown Kingston. Me have to follow way out of town. And me have to take the back road with her. Me have to take the back road. Me can't walk in the chuck up. And they chuck up town with her. And then they got trouble me and put phone on me. I walk around on the back entrance, back part. Coming back now, I have to walk around the back, go back with me and go. Because I walk out of the crowd of people lame. Yes! Big up Derrick Morgan. Big up Derrick for help the girl from Nigeria. Yes! Big up Derrick Morgan. Yes, for help the girl from Nigeria. Yes, the girl from Nigeria. One Derrick Morgan says so. I say one Derrick will help the girl from Nigeria. Thank you.